Greetings from Vasva Engineering Group. We take this opportunity once again to introduce ourselves with our esteemed customer. While we are sure that our esteemed customer is already aware that we are a well-established in construction business over 3 decades and made our reputation in cement, power and other industries, you will be glad to know that we have been in constant endeavor to upgrade ourselves in the changed business scenario, befitting the need of the time. Therefore, we are one step ahead of our core business, and bonded into various chronic technical issues, and started providing engineering solutions to our valued customer. We would like to cite one instance to make you aware how we started thinking creatively. You all must be well acquainted with belt conveyors. Conveying systems with belt conveyors, especially in limestone and coal circuit, the wear of discharge chutes is a chronic problem. Till now many experts have come out with suitable wear liners, hard surfacing and many more. These all gives a costly solution. Either you invest high or you maintain with high cost. We have thought of this from a different angle. You may find it astonishing that you might not have heard it earlier. Why a plate should get worn out. It is because the material falls on that. And if material doesn't fall on it, how it is possible? You might be thinking, how it is possible that the material will not fall on chutes? Then please don't get confused and please listen mindfully. If the trajectory of the materials is calculated, and accordingly the outline of the chute is designed, it won't hit the chute at all. Any material thrown at a velocity at any particular angle with respect to horizontal, makes a unique path of projectile motion. The figure shows that how the material hits the chute all the time before falling on the belt conveyor. Now let's see the proposed solution. See in this figure how the chute is designed. If we know the velocity of discharged material at the drive pulley and the angle of discharge, we can calculate the path of the material. On that basis, we have developed a computer program, which will give the outline of the chute. You can fix a chute of 3 mm plate only in limestone circuit conveyors having capacity 1,200 metric ton per hour. Where even 20 mm plates don't sustain for 1 month and maintenance engineers find holes soon after the installation. They start patchwork. The point is, when the material doesn't hit the plate, there is no question of wear out. The chute works basically to control the fugitive dust entrapped in it. So, no tension, no maintenance for 10 years. Just see the transitional change which could save a lot. To get the accuracy of input data, we ask the customer to provide the following data. First one is drive pulley outside diameter. Second is the actual motor speed, measured with stroboscope. If a fluid coupling is installed, then the output angular speed of the fluid coupling is also required. Third is gearbox reduction ratio. Fourth is the discharge angle, that is the angle of inclination of belt conveyor just at drive pulley. Last one is the headroom between discharge pulley or drive pulley to the next belt conveyor. We ask our customer to provide both plan and elevation. All these data are sufficient for us to find out the trajectory path of the projectile of material. However, there is a crook in this approach. If customer changes the gearbox ratio, diameter of drive pulley or reduction of speed of fluid coupling due to low oil level, then the velocity of discharge changes, thus it changes the path of the projectile. Also, if the customer doesn't want the material to fall on the other belt conveyor directly, then we can provide the wear plates only at the discharge point only, not the whole chute. We shall be pleased if we get an opportunity in your plant to demonstrate our engineering approach. We are confident that we can show our competency and add value to the business of our esteemed customer. Thank you.